Are you looking to boost engagement and make your content more memorable? Let's explore the power of interactive content and how it can help captivate your audience. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, Fractional CMO for health and health-adjacent technology companies, and today I want to discuss the benefits of interactive content and how you can use it to engage your audience. Interactive content is simply a form of content that encourages active participation from the audience. That's it. Some things like quizzes and polls, those are great for engaging the audience, gathering insights. If you've got questions about your market, you want to ask them, you can make those fun. They're super easy to create. They're easy to get people to participate in because they're fun and make it a community thing. Interactive infographics, they allow users to click, hover, explore different elements. There's going to be little tooltip pop-ups and that sort of thing. It makes complex information more digestible and engaging. A little harder to develop there, but honestly, like interactive infographics, all of this stuff really, but interactive infographics especially, I think can be really fun for a creative team in the marketing department. Those can be fun things to make. You can get really creative with it, and it's just such a unique and interesting way to explore a subject, a topic, any kind of information. And it can be really engaging for an audience. Surveys and forums is another one, differentiated from quizzes and polls, where quizzes and polls, again, can be a more fun social media kind of thing. Surveys and forums can be used more to gather feedback, opinions, and data from your audience. Interactive videos is another good one. Those can allow viewers to make choices, click on hotspots, engage with the content in a more immersive way. If you're my age, Gen X or older, you might remember Choose Your Own Adventure books from the 80s and maybe the early 90s. Stuff like that, right? It's fun, it's cool, it's super creative. And then calculators and tools, right? Interactive calculators and tools provide value by helping users solve specific problems or make informed decisions. Examples of that would be like ROI calculators or return on ad spend calculators, cost estimators, health assessment tools, things like that. Using interactive content offers several key benefits for your marketing strategy. I'll talk about 5 of those here. Number 1 is going to be increased engagement. Interactive content captures attention and it encourages participation, leading to higher engagement rates compared to static content. Pretty straightforward. Number 2, better data collection. Interactive content can collect valuable data on user preferences, behaviors, and needs without them necessarily knowing it. If you're tracking the interactive content, if we're talking like an interactive infographic, you can develop this interactive infographic or interactive video for that matter in such a way that you can see what people are hovering on, what people are clicking on, and that will tell you straight away, what are you interested in? I'm going to simplify the hell out of this. If there's an interactive infographic, in one area is a picture of a mountain and it's labeled Mount Everest, and another picture is a picture of the ocean and a guy surfing on it. Depending on where their mouse goes, you can tell something about someone. Are they mountain folk or surfing beach folk? Again, ridiculously simplified, but you get the idea. That's for data collection. Number 3 is going to be enhanced learning and retention. Interactive content can, of course, make learning more fun. And more fun means more memorable, right? So you learn more that way. Users are more likely to retain information when they actively participate in the content itself. Number 4 is going to be improved customer experience, improved user experience. Interactive content provides a more engaging and enjoyable experience for the user. It can lead to higher satisfaction, more customer loyalty, again, repeat customers, that sort of thing. And number 5, if you knock it out of the park with this, we're talking about viral potential. Engaging in interactive content, if it's done very well, it's more likely to be shared, increasing reach, increasing visibility, and potential for virality. With that, let's look at some examples of brands that have successfully used interactive content to engage their audience. The first one is something that I think we can all recognize if you were on the internet in the 2010s, Buzzfeed quizzes. I think we've all done them at some point. Some of us feel shame for it, others don't. Buzzfeed quizzes are popular, right? Or they were, for their fun and engaging nature. The New York Times interactive articles. New York Times uses interactive articles with clickable elements, videos, infographics, that sort of thing. HubSpot has a marketing grader that evaluates a user's website and it provides a detailed report on your marketing on your website. Nat Geo, National Geographic, they have interactive maps that are super cool. If you've never seen those before, they use their interactive maps to tell stories, provide detailed information on various topics. the kind of thing that you might expect from National Geographic. And then Sephora, the makeup company, has a virtual artist tool, allows users to essentially put on makeup virtually using the camera and everything. Cool stuff. It's a different way of doing content marketing that's fun, creative, and just different. That alone differentiates not only the content from all the rest of the content, but it differentiates the company, the brand. It sets you apart a little bit because not everyone's doing this. In conclusion, incorporating interactive content into your marketing strategy can significantly boost engagement, improve data collection, it can enhance the learning of your customers if you're trying to educate them on something, which a lot of us use content to do. This is my content marketing that you're watching right now. I'm trying to educate you not only on marketing, but I'm trying to educate you on how much I know about marketing so that if you come into a position where perhaps you need a CMO, a fractional CMO, or you need a marketing consultant, someone to come in and look at your strategy and what you're doing, I'm at the top of your mind and you might reach out to me. This is what we do content for, and being able to do this interactive stuff, again, it sets you apart from everyone else that's simply not doing it. By using things like quizzes, interactive infographics, surveys, interactive videos, calculators and tools and things like that, you can make your content essentially just more memorable, more dynamic. What I want you to do now is reflect on your current content strategy. I got 3 questions for you. Number 1 is going to be, are you leveraging interactive elements to engage your audience? Question number 2, what types of interactive content could you incorporate to enhance your campaigns? Guys, this is a really fun question to answer, especially with your team if you get together and brainstorm. I guarantee you that you can come up with something fun and exciting that gets the marketing department excited about a new project. Question number 3, how can you use the data collected from interactive content to refine your marketing efforts? Considering these questions, what it's going to do is it's going to shine a light on what you're doing, and it's going to expose gaps in what you're doing. It's going to expose opportunities for improvement and show you really where you can incorporate things like interactive content into your marketing strategy. So if you're struggling with any of this, if you're struggling to incorporate these kind of interactive elements into your content marketing strategy, I'm here to help. Reach out to me and let's chat. I will buy you 14 beers of my time at no cost to you. That's a half an hour on Zoom. I have nothing to sell you. And my only goal here really is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me directly on my website. That's michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments what was valuable for you. And that helps me understand what I'm doing right, what I'm doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is that you're listening on. All of these things together help us reach more businesses, reach more folks, reach more people that run businesses, and that's our big goal, helping businesses. With that, I want to thank you for doing what you do and for all the contributions that you're making in the world with your business. As ever, I'm Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.